Are your kids constantly coming home with rips in their jeans? Mine certainly are, but today I'm going to show you how to fix them. First, you're going to need a scrap of denim. It doesn't need to be the same color because it's actually going to go on the inside. And once I get it flat and in place and in the middle, I'm going to sew around the piece like this. I'm using a wide loose stitch here just to keep the patch in place for the next step. These stitches will be removed later. Once the patch is secure, sew large vertical stitches from a few millimeters above the rip to a few millimeters below it. Each stitch is going through both the jeans and the patch, but be careful not to catch the back leg in these stitches. I find it helpful to keep my hand inside of the pant leg to make sure that I'm going through the patch, but not the other side of the leg. Ask me how I know. Don't make these stitches really tight as that will create a bulky ridge, just tight enough so that everything lays flat. Once you've done the vertical stitches all the way across the rip, you can stop here, but I like to add another row of contrasting stitches on top just for aesthetics. Here I'm using a light blue thread, and instead of doing straight up and down vertical stitches, I'm doing slightly bigger stitches in kind of an X pattern. These are mostly for aesthetic purposes, so feel free to play around with the pattern. Now that the rip is sealed, remove the loose basting stitches that held the patch in place and cut the patch down to about 1 centimeter away from the repair stitches. At this point, I like to tack down the edges of the newly trimmed patch with a catch stitch as I'm doing here. And voila! I think all in all, this probably took me about 25 minutes. And not only are these jeans going to continue to get worn, but now they're giving a cool Japanese Sashiko vibe. Let me know in the comments if you've used this technique before or if you have an even better technique to share, because with 3 boys, I have no shortage of ripped jeans to repair.